Have you ever wondered how cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin actually work behind the scenes? What makes them secure, decentralized, and impossible to fake or manipulate? The answer lies in a powerful concept called blockchain technology. And in today's video, we're going to break it down in a simple and easy to understand way. Welcome to PayFUNDS Academy, a dedicated playlist from our main channel, PayFUNDS. Here, we help you understand everything from the basics to advanced concepts in crypto and trading step by step so you can build real knowledge one block at a time. Now let's dive into today's topic. What is blockchain technology? At its core, blockchain is a type of database, but it's very different from the traditional ones you're used to. Instead of storing data in a central location, blockchain stores information across a network of computers called nodes. These nodes work together to validate and record transactions in a secure, transparent, and unchangeable way. Think of it like a digital ledger or notebook that keeps track of all transactions. But here's the interesting part. Once something is written on this ledger, it cannot be changed. Every new transaction gets added as a block, and these blocks are connected or chained to the previous ones, forming a blockchain. That's why it's called that. What makes blockchain special is its decentralized nature. There is no single authority or company controlling it. Instead, every participant in the network has access to the same data. This makes it highly resistant to fraud or tampering. Each block in the blockchain contains three main things: the actual data, like a record of a transaction, a timestamp, and a unique code called a hash. And here's where it gets technical. Each block also stores the hash of the previous block. This chain of hashes makes it nearly impossible for someone to change any information in the blockchain without altering every single block that comes after it, which would require massive computing power and agreement from the entire network. That's why blockchain is considered one of the most secure and transparent technologies in the digital world today. It's not just used in crypto, it's being adopted in healthcare, supply chains, voting systems, digital identity, and much more. So, in simple terms, blockchain is a digital, decentralized, and tamper-proof system to record and verify data, especially transactions, in a secure and trustless environment. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PayFunds for more valuable and authentic crypto knowledge. PayFunds, your keys, your crypto, your freedom.